Hey, we finally got finished roboskins. This here is a blue roboskin, and let's go back down here. So this is a slightly different blue roboskin, and you can see the robot on the clip here. Here we got ocean fade. We got raw. You can see the different robot on the clip. And here we got rose gold with, again, a different robot. Sunset fade. Different robot again. Finally, we got green. Okay, guys, I got to get some better pictures of these, get listings up and ready to go. This is the first laser grip. I'm excited to get these into your hands, see what you guys think.